and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. I hope you are doing very well. Here is another amazing review with Victoria, guys, and this is very interesting for my audience, for my viewers. Here I will tell you when you are sleeping how you have to earn. So here you get a lot of rewards, profits here, and I will tell you each and everything about this Sleepy coin. You have to not miss this, and you have to stay tuned with me with till end of the video, guys. So before starting their further amazing review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, I always come with amazing and awesome reviews for my audience. So guys, here let's go and welcome to Sleepy Coin. Here is all of the official links in my video description for my audience. And guys, here I will tell you how you have to join, what are the basically our features, why you have to join Sleepy Coin here, and our exclusive roadmap here, and all about our socials. So guys, here I want to say something that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here, welcome to Sleepy Coin. Here is an amazing, very cute and beautiful profile of Sleepy Coin. Here you can see on my screen. And while you sleep, Sleepy Coin rewards you for the most valuable investment you can make. Sleep. Join our movement to redefine rest and relationship with cryptocurrency, guys. Now you have to join us our Sleepy Coin community, guys. Here you have to first one connect your wallet, then you can easily purchase our Sleepy Coin by visiting on our exchange like Dex. Here you can buy, and you have to connect your wallet like MetaMask. And guys, here you can earn a lot of Sleepy Coin here by using our smart applications. Yes, I'm talking about the story of about Sleepy Coin that blends modern blockchain technology with a commitment to promoting healthy sleep habits. And guys, what is the mission of Sleepy Coin is to create a community that's value rest and relaxation. As you know, every one needs a rest or relax for his life, rewarding a member of prioritizing well-being. So here is guys our official contract address which you have to copy when you are buying this. And guys, why you have to join Sleepy Coin? What are the features of Sleepy Coin? Guys, we provide reward system for our all of the our users who join Sleepy Coin, and there are very exclusive NFTs that we have designed for trading. And also we have to do a sleepy cartoon characters that relaxing scene on our platform. Firstly, you have to visit here. When you see, then you also get a too much relaxation by seeing Sleepy Coin NFTs. So here is also a social innovations. That's where you get a lot of profits here. And we have also introduced our smart applications. That's a very friend user app that's track your sleep rewards. And guys, as you know, I always recommend you to, if you have to join any platform, you have to must read their roadmap. Here is our roadmap that we have to devices in phase 1 2. Firstly, we have to develop our brand, our website, and we are basically on the Solana network, guys. When you are connecting your wallet, then you have to select that you are on the Solana networks. And guys, in phase 2, we have to do launch of our smart applications, NFT launch. And then guys, we have to do very exclusive and executive marketing partnerships. And then guys, we have to do in phase 4 our global adaptations. And here is about 60% pre-sale. This is our tokenomics, guys. Here you can see on my screen that we have to ensure the balanced and sustainable distribution, fostering growth, rewards, and community engagement, guys. 20% burn for the token, 10% for the deaf fund, and 5% for the donation. Here is another Sleepy Coin profile. 0% is tax, 5% for the marketing. Here you can ask all of these questions. So guys, don't miss Sleepy Coins news. You have to stay tuned with us, our latest updates, news, exclusive offers. How you have to subscribe, you have to simply put your email and you can get our latest updations here. So guys, this is our Telegram community where you have to join, and this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment. And guys, we are busy and go to sleep. We will inform you when you be a billionaire. So become here, join us, better this old man, and you have to just a healthy sleep for will bring you to money. and we are now officially launched. Here you can see that our market price, and guys, this is our bluish graph. Here you can see our current price, yeah, where you can easily buy. And guys, here you can check out our liquidity, our holders, and if you join, it will be completely bluish, and you get a lot of profits here. I recommend you to must join Sleepy Coin, so it will be completely bluish. And guys, once again I'm saying that we are on Solana network. So see you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.